Hello, my name is Sriram Ganeshan. I'm a resident of Bangalore, Ramamurthy Nagar. We were in the process of searching for a vendor who could provide some good interiors, especially kitchen modulars, also wardrobes. So we had visited our aunt's house where so many years before she had already used Bethliving products, and then her kitchen was completely a modular based kitchen based on Bethlife products. So that's when we came across Bethlife, and to say we have been having a wonderful experience using their products. The most important thing which I really liked about Beth was their commitment to timing. It takes time, okay, because whatever products you have asked for, you have to take the size of it, and then it takes time to manufacture that in their factories. So from that perspective, it will take time, but then it all depends on how well you plan it. So from that perspective, I think we have had a very good fruitful engagement between us and Bethliving. My wife especially has been very happy about the way in which the result has come out. So from that perspective, I think we have had a very nice, wonderful experience. Probably I can just show you through some of the. So this is the wardrobe in one of the bedrooms, children's bedroom. So you have all these options of various types of colors. So we went in for the basic colors. You also get some premium colors in terms of if you want some wood-based colors, that's also available. And then you have the loft. So you have an option of going with a loft or without a loft. Try to show you. So you can fit in a really big suitcase over here. I think if you have a proper loft like this, you can fit in some 4 or 5 suitcases at one stretch just in one of these lofts. So this is the master bedroom setup. It's very similar to that. It's just that the colors are different. So the one thing which I liked about these color setups was you have some very unique colors. So just like you saw over there, you saw pink. Now you have a chocolate brown. So and then the color setups are also very unique and very interesting. It's not just the bland wooden type structures. If you look at this, so this is what I was talking about. So one single loft can actually have one big suitcase. You can actually have 2 big suitcases and then a small one.